Episode 1 The Morning Routine. Title: Good Morning Family. The D'Souza family's dining table. It's 7:30 a.m., and everyone is getting ready for the day. Dad: Good morning, everyone. How did you all sleep last night, Harry? Good morning, Dad. I slept well, but I wish I could sleep a little longer. Mornings always feel so early. Mom laughs. Oh, Harry, you always say that. If you sleep on time, waking up won't be so hard. Ananya: Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Dad: Good morning, Ananya. You look fresh today. Did you sleep well? Ananya: Yes, but I had a strange dream. I was flying in the sky like a bird. Harry laughs. Wow, maybe you were a superhero in your dream? Dad: Or maybe a future pilot. Mom: All right, enough talk. Breakfast is ready. Harry, have you packed your school bag? Harry: Oops, not yet. I'll do it now. Dad: You should do it the night before, Harry. It saves time in the morning. You always rush at the last moment. Harry: I know, Dad, but somehow I always forget. Ananya: Mom, where is my water bottle? Mom: It's in your school bag, dear. And Harry, don't forget to take your science project. You worked so hard on it. Harry, panicking. Oh no, I almost forgot. Thanks, Mom. Dad, checking his watch. It's already 7:45. If you both don't hurry up, you'll miss the bus. Harry: Dad, can you drop us today? I don't think we can catch the bus now. Dad: All right, but this is the last time. From tomorrow, you need to wake up earlier. Mom: And eat your breakfast properly, both of you. Harry, don't just drink milk. Eat some toast, too. Harry takes a quick bite. Okay, Mom. Let's go, Ananya. Ananya, finishing her milk. I'm ready. Harry, don't forget your lunchbox. Harry: Thanks, Ananya. You always remind me. Mom: All right, let's go. Have a great day, kids. Harry and Ananya: Bye, Mom. See 7 you in the evening. Dad: Let's go, kids. Time to start a new day.